Hello, today we are going to discuss about Microsoft MCP. Uh, at the Microsoft official marketplace, you'll get a cloud for Microsoft. Then if you click the get now, it will ask sign up. You can using your Microsoft account email, you can sign in this. Then you will get a interface where you can log in with cloud code. Then finally, when you uh, connected and step by step login with cloud, then you will able to see the cloud uh, icon here. Then just from the Microsoft interface, we can easily uh, connect and use the cloud and analyze our reading with this cloud code, and we can correct and review the paper or the document with this cloud code. So it is a very useful and nice feature for Microsoft Word. You can try and use this in our daily basis work. It is really helpful, and I hope it will make your work faster. Thank you.